If P and Q are the points having the coordinates 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, then determine the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector. Okay, let us begin. Now here we have the 2 points P and Q. First, let's determine the vector PQ. To find out the vector PQ, all we have to do is take the position vector of point Q and from here subtract the position vector of point P. Now to find out the position vector of point Q, since we already have the point Q, so this corresponds to point Q with coordinates 4, 5, 6, then we can express it in terms of the unit vector as take the x coordinate, which is 4, multiply it with I cap, add it to the y coordinate, which is 5, and multiply with j cap, add it to 6 times k cap. So this is going to be the position vector of the point Q. And from here, we're going to subtract the position vector of point P. So that's going to be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, now we can simplify it by combining all the like terms. So 4i cap minus I cap will be 3i cap. Added to 5j cap minus 2j cap, so that will be 3j cap. Added to 6k cap minus 3k cap, so that will be 3k cap. So we have successfully obtained the vector PQ. Now what we'll do, we'll compute its magnitude. The magnitude will be given by, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we need to take the sum of squares. So we have 3 squared plus 3 squared plus 3 squared. So this is going to be equals to 3 times square root of 3. So now that we have the magnitude as well as the vector PQ, we can easily find out the unit vector in the direction of PQ. So we will take the vector PQ and divide it by its magnitude PQ. So that's going to be equals to, we have 1 over square root of 3 multiplied to I cap plus j cap plus k